Here's a huge reprieve for over 1,000 Sirikwa squatters after the Eldoret High Court awarded them about 25,000 acres of disputed land that had pitted them against the late Kanu era politician Mark Tor. The squatters had filed the land case in 2007, accusing Mark Tor of grabbing 25,000-acre piece of land from them.
When the two parties took to the courts, they both agreed that the land in question initially belonged to the state. Later, the two parties told the court that the land in question was leased to East Africa Tanning and Extraction Limited and later leased to Londro Agriculture East African Limited. It is at that point that the two parties differ. Mark Tor, through his lawyer, told the courts that after the expiry of the Londro Agriculture East African Limited lease, he bought the land legally from the courts. But the Sirikwa squatters say and insist that after the expiry of the lease belonging to Londro Agriculture East African Limited, they were awarded the over 25,000 acres of land by former President Moi. Upon the ruling, the squatters broke into song and celebration.
The judge rendered himself and agreed with the petitioners that their right to land had been violated. And the judge proceeded to provide a remedy. And the remedy took the form of cancellation of all what the respondents did. And here I'm talking about one of them is the late Mark Tor.
The land tussle between Mark Tor and the Sirikwa squatters dates back to 10 years ago, when these squatters took the late Mark Tor to court, claiming he had stolen from them. Now, the courts agree with them and have ordered the late Mark Tor through his family to surrender almost all of his maziwa farm.
Unajua kabisa ya kwamba wazee wetu waliteseka, walifunya manyumba sao. Mungu tu ndio alifanya mpaka siku ya leo tukakuwa na furaha kwa sababu tulipata hii shamba.
Natupenda na ametukumbuka leo sisi maskini wenye hatuna chochote hata pointi moja, lakini Yesu ametukumbuka leo. Tunasema asante wanasirikwa, hawakuchoka kufanya vyema.
But the court said the squatters should spare the land on which the late Mark Tor's home stands. That means Mark Tor's family have been asked to surrender all of Maziwa Farm and have been left with 27 hectares. That is their family home and compound. The court also ordered government to process title deeds to the land for the squatters. The Tor's family lawyer has indicated that there will be an appeal against that decision. Among other losers in the ruling are hundreds of buyers who had bought the land from the late Mark Tor. Lois Wangoi, NTV Today, Eldoret.